Tips if you don't know anong sasabihin mong motto for your introduced yourself. I personally recommend number 3 kasi ganun yung mga motto in life ko eh. Pero simulan natin sa number 1 kasi ito yung lagi niyong ginagawa. Number 1 is to keep it light and humorous. Hindi seryoso. Keep it fun, keep it light lang. Meron ako nabasa sa comment section natin. Sabi niya, kung kaya ng iba, edi pagawa mo sa kanila. Going bulilit, going bulilit. Kung kaya ng iba, kaya mo rin. Tama, di ba? Kung kaya ng iba, kaya ko rin. Pwede mo rin naman baguhin yun. Pwedeng, kung kaya ng iba, edi congrats! Going bulilit, going bulilit. Kung time nila, papalakpakan mo sila, edi congrats, kaya mo eh. Motto in life, someday you will get there. Pwedeng gawin mong humorous, pwedeng darating din tayo doon. Traffic lang ngayon. Yoko na. Palay lahat nung ano eh. Ate, parang ayaw ko yung humorous. Meron pang 2 at 3. Number 2 is actually the easiest. It's the classic motto. Ito yung mga easy to remember. Ito yung mga quotable quotes. Ito yung nakikita mo sa kung saan-saan. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Ano pa? Ano pa? More pa. One day at a time. Ano pa? Ano pa? Kung gusto, may paraan. Kung ayaw, may dahilan. Ano pa? Ano pa? Just do it. Nike yun. Hiniram mo kay Nike yung motto mo. Number 3, I personally recommend this. Ito yung mga sinasabi mo sa sarili mo. Lagi. Hindi mo namamalayan. Pero yun talaga yung motto mo. Ako, recently, ang lagi kong sinasabi, 2 words lang. Fight lang. Fight lang. Your motto can also be inspiring. Never give up. Wow, life-changing. Pwede naman eh. Pwede naman yung mga common lang. You can relate your motto sa real life mo talaga eh. Fail forward. Diba? Fail forward. Nagfa-fail ka nga pero umaabante ka naman. Fail forward. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of success. Pwede rin yun na motto. Motto is very simple. It can be 2 words lang like fight lang, go lang, or humorous, go, go, go! It can be a phrase. It can be a saying. Nag-saying ako before eh, nung sa high school. Kinote ko yung sa Kung Fu Panda. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That's why it's called present. Ayun lang yung mga yun. Number 1 is to keep it light lang, hindi seryoso. Humorous siya. Number 2, classic. Kung ano nababasa mo, kung ano nakikita mo, yun yung sabihin mo. And then number 3 is something that's really applicable to your life. You're showing your guiding principle. You're showing ano yung nagpapamotivate sa'yo and sharing it with other people. Yun yung motto mo. It can also be a saying. Let me know if may gusto pa kayong mga tips from me. And para mapanood nyo yung mga tips na yun, follow. Follow para magkita tayo ulit.